This video is about checking your warranty online. This ride is all shined up and protected through 9H DNA Absolute Coating. Now it's time to give Mr. Sharma the warranty card of our services. But wait a second, do Mr. Sharma has to worry about keeping it safe for the rest of his life? Nope, not at all. Introducing our online warranty feature. Now you can check the warranty and every other detail you need to know about our services from our website. Just simply go to our website www.detailingdevils.com, click on the button, enter your details, and there you go. When you can get a complimentary wash, when you can come again for getting the shine restored, each and every detail about our services right at your fingertips. How cool is that? So just get your ride detailed and protected by us and experience the true joy of riding without worrying about any paperwork at all. Make sure that your car has been treated with the genuine product, so always check the warranty online.